Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in 2025, still worth it. Techiato Review. Hey there. Welcome to Techiato. Today we're taking a fresh look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, a phone that once defined what a flagship should be. But now, in 2025, does it still hold up? Let's start with what hits you first, the design. Even now, it looks and feels premium. The curved edges, the matte finish, and that huge camera bump still give it a bold and classy look. The 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED display is sharp, colorful, and with a 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling still feels smooth. Performance-wise, it's powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus or Exynos 990, depending on where you live. Is it a beast by 2025 standards? No, but it's still solid. Everyday tasks like social media, videos, and even games like PUBG or Call of Duty Mobile run pretty smoothly. Just don't expect it to keep up with the latest flagship chips in speed or AI features. Camera time, that 108MP main sensor still captures stunning photos in daylight. The 5x optical zoom is great for outdoor shots. But yeah, in low light, you'll start to notice its age compared to newer phones with advanced night modes and AI enhancement. Battery. It has a 4,500 mAh battery, and while it used to last a full day, now in 2025, it's not as reliable. You'll probably need a midday charge if you use it heavily. And fast charging is decent, but far behind today's 65 West Plus beasts. But here's where it shines, the S Pen. If you're someone who sketches, writes, or likes precise control, the S Pen is still unmatched. Even newer foldables haven't fully replaced that Note experience. Now about software. If it's updated to Android 13 or 14, that's probably its last big update. No more major features or long-term security support. That could be a deal-breaker for some. So, should you buy the Note 20 Ultra in 2025? If you're looking for a budget flagship with a premium feel, great display, and the magic of the S Pen, and you don't care too much about having the newest features, then yes, it's still a great phone. But if future updates, camera AI, and top-tier performance matter to you, maybe it's time to move on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Techiato for more awesome tech.